Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sanjay. I'm studying Masters in Business Information System in Australian Institute of Higher Education. Currently, I'm working as a Power BI developer in a health industry. I have learned lots of programming languages, and Power BI is one of the tools that I use in my work in daily. Besides that, I also know Python, SAS, SQL, R, and DAX, M code, and so on. Being a student myself, I have experienced that most of the time, the courses that we are taught, they are mostly theoretical, and less, energy is given in the practical uses of, those courses. For example, in programming, even the teachers, they mostly read the slides, and it's not very fruitful for the students. They have to have the hands-on experience to gain some learning, or to learn in a faster way, in an efficient way, I would say. And yeah, that's the main thing. As I've already mentioned, so hands-on experience is very, very important. And even though you learn from YouTube or from courses, you're just gaining the knowledge. You're not having the hands-on experience. You're not actually implementing the stuffs that you have learned. So with Tutor10x, what you can do is it's very interactive, and it's one of a kind, because it allows you to actually learn by clicking and pointing, and then you can have the real world experience by going to the Tutor10x and then selecting your course, and then going through a step-by-step process, which is very, very crucial for anyone learning new stuffs. It helps to learn in a faster way, more efficient way, and it makes you more productive as well, and it sticks to your mind for a longer time. So what I think is that mostly in YouTube videos, there would be multiple YouTube videos, and you have to do, you have to search. If you want to, for example, install something, then you have to search for a YouTube video to install that, and then again you have to launch something. There is not actually a proper roadmap for learning new stuff. But with Tutor10x, it teaches you from the beginning, like installing everything, and then it's kind of a better roadmap to reach to your destination faster. So it teaches you to install everything, and then where to click. It teaches you about the environment and what would happen when you click something, and what would the results look like, and it's a better way. So I've taken few courses in Udemy as well, and it's a good platform as well. And the difference between Udemy and Tutor10x is that in Udemy it's more, it has got theoretical part as well, and for example, if I took some programming courses, then there are multiple choices questions, or something like that. But in the Tutor10x, so what I found is more, as I've already said, it's more interactive. And learning new stuff, what I've always found is interaction is the key to learning new stuff faster and in a better way. Yes, you can learn from Udemy as well, but I think with Tutor10x you can interact more, and you can learn the stuff faster than in other platforms, what I believe is. I have used Coursera. I had used the Coursera platform to learn some basic programming as well, and yeah. So while I was learning from Coursera, so I had to research some extra stuffs as well. So there was this programming course, and they had some problems that I needed to solve, right? And it only checked the answers. So they had a programming question, and I had to answer. So if I didn't get the answer right, then they would mark me wrong, and then I couldn't continue further. So with Tutor10x, what I think is that it will direct you to the right path. I mean, it's not like saying that it will give you the answers right away, but it will show you how to get the right answers, like where to click and where to interact and what would be the next step, like what would be the syntax that you should use for more efficient programming and something like that. And I don't have to search like where the console is or where anything is and how do I run this and that, with the Tutor10x. With Tutor10x, all the stuff, all the environment first, and then it also allows you to, it directs you to the interface where you have to click and where you have to write something, or where you have to go. So I think it's better.
Excellent, thank you.